Today I will show you 3 upcoming projects for the Solana ecosystem. And yeah, this YouTube thing is something new to me, and apologize for my English. It's not my native language, so I can make some spelling and grammar failures, but yeah, I will keep going. Before we start, give me some support, subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell button, like and comment, and of course share this video to your friends. As you know, the Solana network is one of the fastest growing network in the crypto world. So yeah, the first project which you need to watch is Soulstarter. It's the first IDO platform for Solana. They guarantee an allocation, so you don't need to be first who can click a button or where a bot can snipe into the pool. Allocation will be given to anyone and everyone based on their tier based allocation model. Here you see their tier system. Tier 4 Supernova, you need 25,000 staked SOS. Yeah, it's the Soulstarter tokens which you need to stake it on this pool. And for tier 3 you need 60,000. For tier 2 Planet 9,000, and for the lowest one named Moon is 5,000. And maybe you know a familiar project, and I would say it's comparable with the paid network for the Polkadot ecosystem. Yeah, as you see here, the paid network chart. So yeah, if you were in the beginning, you had some pretty good gains. In the middle, you see some gap. Yeah, but this was a short issue with their tokens, but they fixed it and it came back. The next project which is on the watch list is Pive Network. It will be the first Oracle solution which is running on the Solana network, and I didn't find a lot of information about this project. There is no white paper yet out there, but you can join the Discord channel and the Telegram group. And yeah, I would say that you can compare this to Chainlink. And yeah, you can see Chainlink had a huge run. And of course you cannot accept a run like that in 3-4 days. So you need to have patience. So hold this token and hold it for more than only 2-4 weeks. Make sure you have an FTX account, because sooner or later there's a high chance that this project will be listed on the FTX exchange. And yeah, FTX is one of the exchange which list the Solana project in the beginning. Only on Serum based DEXs you can buy it before the FTX listing, I would say. Yeah, if you have if you still not have an account, it's really time to create one. And under this video you have a link where you can register and profit from a 5% discount on all the trading fees on FTX. And if you are new to cryptocurrency trading, then I recommend you do only spot market or stock market. Futures are very risky, and leveraged tokens also. There is also an option where you can stake some tokens directly on FTX, like the FTT token, Ray also, and yeah. And as I said before, on FTX you can trade stock market. You can trade stocks like on the traditional stock market, let's say like that. And FTX is one of the first exchange, as I know, that you can trade crypto and traditional stocks, like as you see here, BlackBerry, MicroStrategy, GameStop, Tesla, Alibaba, Airbnb, Robinhood, Coinbase, and so on. Also, a huge benefit of FTX is that the stocks are tokenized. So that means you don't need to buy a full stock. It's comparable with Bitcoin. If you want to buy in Bitcoin, you don't need to buy one full Bitcoin. You can buy some Satoshis, and it's like that. So you can only buy a small amount of a full stock. Last but not least, which you should have in your watch list, is a media network. It's a peer-to-peer content delivery network, which is comparable, I would say, to Theta network. And for this project, I really found only the website and the Twitter account. So there is no Discord or Telegram group, as I know. But if you have more information, you can comment below this video and share the information with the community. And as I said, I would compare it to the Theta network. Theta had a pretty good run in this year. And yeah, as I said before, you cannot, if you buy it, you cannot accept that you have such gains in 1-2 days. So yeah, hold these tokens, and then yeah, you will have big rewards on your money. Hope you liked this video. Give me some feedback if what I can do better. I hope you cannot hear a lot of background noise with this microphone. And yeah, give me some feedback. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, like and comment, and of course share this video to your friends. And then I would say till the next time.